friends, welcome back to second part of Secret of Happy Married Life. In my previous video, I explained husbands how to keep their wives happy. In this part, I will be explaining wives how to keep their husband happy. So stay tuned till the end. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please press the bell icon to get more tips. Hi friends, I am Dr. Ashita Nangaonkar, founder of Alkanand Homeocare Clinic, homeopathic consultant and psychological counselor, and you're watching my very own channel, Alkanand Clinic. Today's topic for discussion is Secret of Happy Marriage for Women. So I will be explaining some rules, some do's and don'ts for a wife. So without wasting time, let's start with rule number 1. Know your duties and responsibilities. Make efforts towards your duties and responsibilities. Let your husband know that you are well aware of your responsibilities and trying your best to fulfill them. Only then they will show their involvement towards you. Rule number 2. Show respect towards your husband. Just the way you expect affection from your husband, the same way they expect respect. Your respect will unfold your faith into them. Rule number 3. Know the appropriate behavior expected out of you. No matter how much educated you are, no matter you wear jeans or anything else, but you should know how to behave in an appropriate manner. How to behave with his elders, how to behave with your own kids. Let your husband know that you matured enough to handle this. Rule number 4. Know the difference between yours and his sexual needs. This plays a very crucial role in having a fulfilling happy married life. If he cannot express his sexual needs to you and you can't understand them, then his chances of being dishonest and looking for satisfaction outside increases. This does not mean that you submerge to any sexual perversions. In that case, you have to seek a professional help. Rule number 5. Avoid laziness, vanity and gossip. This is a major turn off for any man. This would lead to disinterest of your men. Rule number 6. Be positive. Nobody likes to love a woman who is always pessimistic and always nagging behind. Be supportive, be positive about whatever the situation is, and the men will fall again in love with you. Rule number 7. Know how to love your husband. Every man is unique and needs to be loved in a different way. You have to discover the way he wants you to love him. It might be different from your way of loving, but doesn't he deserve to have such expression of love? So here we are done with the rules. Now let's move forward to the don'ts. First don't. Over-involvement in outside activities. No matter if you are working, you're well educated, or you like to chill out with your friends, you like doing kitty parties, but any man would want you more involved into his world, and his world will be the house you make. Second don't. Avoid questioning your husband's decision. It does not mean support his wrong decision, but it means have faith in his decisions. He might go for a job change or some big decisions which might change your world. Support him at such times and you can find him growing with you. Third don't. Never be unattractive at bed. A man would like to make love to a person who is actively participant and not just a merry passive woman who's just lying down, whom he thinks he's forcing himself into. Even after your tiredness and stress, you should manage to be attractive in bed. So these were some of my tips to unfold the secret of a happy marriage life for women. I hope you find this video useful. To keep your notification on, please subscribe to my channel. Do like, share and comment to my channel. For any further queries, details or advices, you can contact me on the below given detail. And thanks for watching.